button up your coat. Don't let yourself become your own scapegoat. Plenty of things to float your boat, so go ask yourself and take a vote. No one knows better than you, you know, and with the right intention everyone's a dope. So read books, serve and eat your out. Share out the rest, make friends, take note. You don't have to sit in the rain, struggling with the guilt and the shame. Let yourself be loved again. It's okay to be okay. Okay, okay, okay. Run down the clock, get a start, don't stop. Hop 2, 3, 4, get there on the dot. Work, rest, play, cold, wet or hot. Get good to go, come on, ready or not. Open your hand, say what you got. Find yourself a target and take a shot. Don't end the play if you lose the plot. Just pick up the pieces and look for the slot. You don't have to sit in the rain, struggling with the guilt and the shame. Let yourself be loved again. It's okay to be okay, my friend. Oh yeah, okay. Whoa, okay. Oh, whoa. Now don't you worry and I won't wait. We'll get there on time, be it early or late. If you push too hard you'll end up in a state thrown against the wall like a rusty gate. The world's already full of love and hate, and you'll get the luck that you create. No need to be super duper or great. You're okay as you are, leave the rest to fate. You don't have to sit in the rain, struggling with the guilt and the shame. Let yourself be loved once again. It's okay to be okay, my friend. Oh, my friend. It's okay, my friend. Oh. Leave it up, dream it up, beam me up. Take it up, break it up, make it up, shake it up, wake me up, jack me up, crack me up, come on, pack me up, bring me up, come on. You don't have to sit in the rain, struggling with the guilt and the shame. Let yourself off today, 'cause it's okay to be okay. Okay. Alright, it's okay. We're gonna make it okay. Yeah, bigger and better and more than most. Wake up in the morning, go coast to coast. Have a cup of coffee and a cheese on toast. I'm kept on me toes, don't pillar the post. Better than ever and that's no boast. Get off the coast, give up the ghost. How do you do? And I asked the host. He said bigger and better and more than most.